To show battery percentage and charging time on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to enable show charging information option. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen, and then tap the gray on offset next to show charging information until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, connect the charger to your phone and then turn the screen off. As you can see, your phone is now displaying the battery percentage and estimated charging time on the screen. So, given to the function, you can enable this feature to easily view your battery percentage and estimate the charging time without unlocking your phone. This is especially useful for monitoring your battery status at a glance while charging. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.